What are the major concerns or risks to your business with your employees using ChatGPT or other AI-based content platforms to improve marketing materials or other documents? We're going to answer those questions today. Hi, Ryan Hanley here, founder and president of 𝗧𝗵𝗂 𝗥𝗶𝘀𝗪, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. Now, when it comes to ChatGPT and AI-based content platforms, other examples may be a Grammarly or a 𝗏𝗲. There's tons of them that are coming out, and then a lot of other tools are inputting or inserting AI and AI-based content recommendations into those tools as well. This is an incredibly productive, valuable new resource to businesses across the board. So I am personally very bullish on AI-based content platforms, and ChatGPT is one of those tools, one of the tools that we even use here at 𝗧𝗵𝗂 to augment different things that we do. However, we need to understand that while these platforms can be very valuable, they can help us, they can reduce the time to market with different messages, email marketing, sales messages, sales templates, communication templates, all these different things that we use that can be augmented, that can be rapidly created with the help of an AI-based tool. We have to be considerate of the fact that these are not vetted tools. They are not mature tools yet. And some of the areas is that the information could have errors in it. Just because it comes out of ChatGPT does not mean that it's accurate, right? Just because it comes out of an AI-based content tool does not mean that information is accurate. It also doesn't mean that it's timely. This could be information that was accurate at one time that is no longer accurate because the tool or the resource has not indexed the information again in a relevant amount of time. You have technological limitations, so much as the tool just may not be able to perform a function that we would like it to, and it's wedging things in that aren't actually of our need. So that could just mean if we're not double checking AI-based tools work, we just want to make sure that we're doing spot checks, because that tool could be finding solutions to things that aren't actually what you want because of a technological limitation. And lastly, legal limitations, right? Is the tool giving you content that is actually copyrighted or needs to be referenced or needs to be trademarked because it's pulling from a resource and doesn't realize that information actually has a copyright against it, which could ultimately get your business in trouble. So my point is, we just need to be thinking about these things. It doesn't mean we shouldn't be leveraging the tools. As I said, very personally, as a CEO of a business, I am very bullish on what tools like ChatGPT, 𝗏𝗲, Grammarly, some of these other AI-based content tools can do for our businesses. However, we do want to be smart about it and understand that having the right insurance in place can be that backstop in case something crazy happens. Media liability is a very big resource, making sure that if we have a business owner's policy, that it has a sufficient amount of media liability, because that's going to be one of the coverages that is going to come up again and again as it relates to AI-based content, especially when that AI-based content is used in our marketing. So that's just one of the coverages that we want to take a look at. But in general, if you have concerns about the use of AI-based content, how you should be setting it up, and to make sure that your insurance program is properly set up, we would love to work with you here at 𝗧𝗵𝗂 𝗥𝗶𝘀. There's a couple ways that you can do that. Around this video, you're going to see buttons or links, one of which will take you to get a quote on your own. If you're more of a do-it-yourself kind of person, you can go through and actually get quotes and bind and issue your own business owner's policy or workers' comp policy, if that's what you prefer. However, if you'd like to work with an agent and talk to somebody like myself, then there'll be a button, kind of work with a 𝗧𝗵𝗂 𝗥𝗶𝘀 agent, or a link. Click that, and we will basically connect you with whoever the industry expert is on our side that can answer all your questions. So ChatGPT, AI-based content, big fan. Be smart about it. Make sure you have insurance set up properly as a back end. And we just look forward to working with you. Have a great day.